So this is week 2 of our class for Math Grade 8. So for this week, we'll have review of your past lessons. Let's get started. Example number 1. So in here, we'll be adding 2 expressions. So what are the steps? Let us recall. Step number 1 is arrange and rewrite terms based on their exponents. So you look at the term with the highest exponent. So in this case, it's 13x cubed. Followed by minus 27x squared, then plus 16x. The operation is addition. So plus negative 19x cubed plus 17x squared plus 21x. So we'll be adding the terms. So 13 plus negative 19 is negative 6x. Negative 27 plus 17 is negative 10x squared. And 16 plus 21 is positive 37x. So this will be our final answer. So don't forget to box it using a red pen. So let's go to example number 2. In example number 2, the operation is subtraction. So if you will notice, there are 2 variables, which are x and y. So you have to arrange the terms based on the variable x and its exponent. So the highest exponent for x is 2. So we start with the term with x squared. So you have to rewrite them. So that would be 15x squared followed by 17xy squared, then minus 35. So we'll be subtracting 22xy squared. You will write it there because they have the same variables. Then minus 27x squared y, then plus 16. So we're going to subtract those 2 expressions. Now, in subtraction, you always change the signs of the subtrahend. So that would be positive. Positive will become negative, and positive 16 will become negative 16. Then you proceed to addition. So 15 plus 27 is 42. Then copy x squared 1. 17 plus negative 22 is negative 5. Then copy xy squared. And negative 35 minus 16 is negative 50. So that would be our final answer. Don't forget to box it. Example number 3. So if you will notice, the terms are already arranged vertically. Again, for subtraction, you have to change the signs of the subtrahend. So positive 21 will become negative, negative 14 will become positive 14, negative 23 will become positive, and negative 10 will become positive. Then you proceed to addition. So same with the third line. You change again the signs of the subtrahend. So you have negative 5, positive 35, positive 10, and negative 6. Then proceed to addition. So you have to add them vertically. So 8 plus negative 5 is positive 3x to the 4th. The negative 15 plus negative 21 will give you negative 36. Plus 35 will give you negative 1. So you have negative 1x cubed. But in mathematics, if the numerical coefficient is negative 1, we just write it as negative x cubed. Then we proceed. Negative 24 plus 14 will give you negative 10. plus 10 will give you 0. So this will become plus 0x squared. So 0x squared is the same as 0. So you will just leave it blank. Next, 3x plus 23x is 26x. Then positive 10 plus negative 6 will give you positive 4. So our final answer is 3x to the 4th minus x cubed plus 27 plus 4. That will be our final answer. So let's go to example number 4. So in here, we'll be adding 3 expressions. So again, you arrange and rewrite the terms based on their exponents. So our variable is a with the highest exponent of 3. So you write a cubed, a squared, a followed by the constant term. So we have negative 25a cubed minus 5a squared plus 28. Then add 7a cubed minus 5a plus 17. Then 9a squared minus 8a minus 42. Negative 25 plus 7 will give you negative 18. Then you just copy a cube. Negative 5 plus 9 is positive 4. Copy a squared. Negative 5 plus negative 8 is negative 13. Copy a. Then 28 plus 17 will give us 45. Plus negative 43 will give us positive 2. So we just write here positive 2. So our final answer is 18a cubed plus 4a squared minus 13a plus 2. Then don't forget to box your final answer.